What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we are doing a very simple modification. Behind me here we have our 2017 Toyota Tacoma, and it is winter time now and the wipers on this thing is going out, so I figured let's go to the auto parts store, get some new wipers. And I did, and without thinking, going to the auto parts store and getting that super basic wipers. But I remembered, wait a minute, my truck is already decked out with a bunch of stuff, so why not make wipers cool as well? So here's what we got. So this is what I got. This is the Mox Motors topographic wiper blades. So they have the topo lines on them, as you guys can see there. You'll see them a little better once I take them out of the box, but this is the box that it comes in. Pretty cool packaging, but like I said before, normally I just buy something like this, you know, just from any auto parts store to replace these factory ones. But I was like, my truck's not really normal, it's fully decked out, so gotta have cool wiper blades as well. So we got those, and from the reviews I've read, the wiper blades are actually pretty good as far as wiping. So if you guys look right here, all the streaking going on there, you can tell my factory wiper blades were going out. And here's what it looks like on the inside, as you guys can see there. Super bad towards the outer part up there. Where my vision is normally isn't as bad, so it didn't affect it too much as far as driving. But we did have two blizzards, snowstorms just recently, and definitely noticed it more and more. So now that we have those, it's going to be a nice plus to have a clear windshield when we have that snowstorm. So let's get these replaced. All right, so let's show you guys how to replace the wiper blades on this, if you guys didn't know. So I'm going to see if I can set this thing down here, try to do this one-handed. So I got this up here, if it'll focus. There it is. Open this up a little bit. There's a tab on this side. We're going to pull that tab away. So basically I'm pushing it in that direction, and then you just slide it just like that. Super easy. So you can see that J hook there. That's what we're going to need from the new wiper blades to install onto this. So the kit in the Mox Motor wiper blade is going to have that adapter so that you can install onto your 3rd gen Tacoma or 4Runner or whatever. So here are the wiper blades out of the box. Maybe. There you go. Very cool topographic lines on this thing. Very cool. It's kind of like a hybrid design where it uses metal parts and plastic parts. So pretty cool. Nice pressure points on them as well. So they do have this shield that comes on there. Make sure you guys pull that off. If you guys try to wipe with that on your windshield, it's not going to wipe very good. So make sure you pull this off like that and then install it. So if you guys have purchased it for your 3rd gen Tacoma, it already have that J hook adapter in there. So you literally just pull this up a little bit like so, and then hook it in, and you are all done. So let's go install these. Driver's side is going to be the 22-inch, and then passenger side is going to be the 20-inch. So like I said before, J-hook, we're going to meet this right in here. So on the new wiper blade, we'll just fold this opening up. That way you can put that J-hook in there and then slide it in until you hear it click or feel it click, and then push that cap down just like that. And then that's it. Super easy. And then do the other side and you're done. Okay, the new wiper blades are on. They look cool. So now let's go in this side and make sure they work good as well. Flip the truck on. Hopefully I got some washer fluid. All right, look at that. There's one little line. Oh, I must have a little rock stuck on the windshield, so I gotta get that off. But this side here, super clean, nice wiper blades. I gotta get that little rock out of the wiper though. As you guys can tell, there's a lot of little gritty things that were on the windshield that is causing this tiny little line right there. But if you guys are seeing that as well, clean off the windshield before you guys do this. I was just doing this way to show you guys the demonstration, but I might see if I can get that little line out. All right, so I cleaned that wiper off a little bit, got that little grit that was stuck on there, so now the windshield is nice and clean. So now I can see when I get that next blizzard or snowstorm or whatever we're gonna get. I almost forgot, these guys make a cool little multi-tool for your wallet. So there's a serrated top, there's a little Phillips side, a little flathead side. The middle has like a hex cutout for different size nuts or bolts. Bottle opener here in the middle, and then on the back is the back side of the Tacoma. So that's pretty rad. And they also have a 22 Tundra version and a 5th gen 4Runner version. So these things make a pretty cool little stocking stuffer just in time for Christmas. So these are pretty badass. All right guys, that is gonna be it for this video. I wanted to show you guys this little tiny modification that's more of like a maintenance part that you guys can do to your Tacoma, 4Runner, or whatever you guys have to make it just a little bit cooler and stand out just a little bit more. But that's gonna be it for this video, guys. We will have these wipers down in the description. That way you guys can pick up a set, or most likely have them in stock as well. So be sure to check that out, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.